Yes, sir. Yes, yes. There, man. There. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
YouTube blogger.
You see it. You see it.
That is it. House jerk. We're there, you know. Out there. Street food. Different style. Different year. See that? We're in Burlington. I mash it up.
Some sauce. Yeah. All right, guys. Look at that. That's the mac and cheese, rice and peas. Jerk chicken. Look at that. Nice. Yes, guys. So right now we're in Burlington. Yes, guys. As you can see, right down on the lake. Yes. See the boardwalk out here. I want to take a walk out here, and you have to boat them out on the lake. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice. So right now we're on the boardwalk, as you can see. Out to the water. Yeah. Look at that, guys. And then over there, so you can see the Skyway Bridge. Yeah. That way to Niagara Falls. Look at that, guys. Oh gosh. Where is the jerky? What I go at? Alright, brother. What are you doing? Some jerk chicken? Oh yeah, sir. Nice. Look at that, guys. They get the real thing. Straight banana yard. Alright, brother. Yes. See that, guys? Jerk chicken. Look at that. Nice. Hey, they look brown and pretty though, and you know, so they well jerk. Yes, guys. So all the jerk chicken in a day with that one?
Man, we have oxtail, goat and lot of stuff around here, man.
Yeah.
Oxtail, goat,
yes.
rice and peas,
yeah.
coleslaw, make roti.
Everything.
Yeah. Jerk chicken roti, curry chicken roti.
Curry chicken roti, everything. Yeah, look at that, guys.
Everything, all festival in it.
All festival?
Planting, everything.
Oh gosh, so they have everything here then?
Everything here, man.
Alright.
Everything here, line cannot finish up there.
So I see line, I see how long the line be.
Yeah, man, can't finish.
Man?
So if we finish some more, so the line we finish, more people are joining, you know?
Yes.
We are bringing them in, you know?
Alright, because the scent alone. Oh, so where the restaurant name?
Caribbean flavor.
Caribbean flavor?
Yeah, man, Caribbean flavor.
Alright, hold on, let me people see people. Yeah. For real, man, for real. Yeah, so on the base in Hamilton?
Yeah, we're based in Hamilton.
Oh, okay.
That's a restaurant there.
Alright.
We do festival, Caribbean,
yeah.
Jerk festival, all of them.
Yeah? Alright. Yes, guys, so as you can see, we just stop at one of the Jamaican restaurant where the food stop. Yeah, man, they must show you how them jerk out the chicken. They have all kind of food there. That's about oxtail, fried dumpling, they have jerk chicken, fried chicken, all them kind of there, all them kind of food there. So right now we just walk around and see what go on, you know. Guys, it's cool, you know. Look at this. Wow. Yes. Nice.
That is it. House jerk. We're there, you know. Out there. Street food. Different style. Different year. See that? We're in Burlington. I mash it up. Show the chef the man.
Yeah, answer, brother. I deal with it. Yeah, man. Alright. Yes, brother. Yeah, man. Alright. So it's it. Where's the chef?
Up and up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Come on, we just there, I do the street food style, you know?
Yeah.
I do a jerk crop, I'll mash it up and show you.
Alright.
That's it.
Yeah. So wait, hold on, how are you match up
Alright,
right now?
we're match up right now, it's called a house of jerk wrap.
House of jerk wrap?
Yeah, the house wrap this.
Yeah.
Yeah, like some jerk chicken and, you know, some vegetable and all good herbs.
Oh gosh, so the chicken with jerk already?
Yeah, man, with jerk and smoke, you know?
Yes.
And yeah, I use them, wrap them over.
That's a wrap for me, right?
Look at that, guys.
That's it. So it's soft, look at that. See it?
Look there.
Juicy. See that?
Nice.
See that?
Oh gosh. Man, so that just drop in a wrap and you just flavor it up with some.
Mash them up wicked sure.
Look at that, guys. drop some planting in
See
it.
there?
Oh gosh.
Island style, isn't it?
Island style.
Yeah.
Wings and festival up there.
Oh gosh.
Lettuce.
Some lettuce.
Alright. Some madness, I call it.
Some sauce, nice sauce.
Oyster.
On. Top it off with some cheese.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. See that, guys? Yeah, man.
Put it together now.
So this is the whole saturated crap.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. See that?
Drop it on the grill.
Oh. Look at that, guys. Nothing but goodness. See all of that? Yes, guys. So you see, once we're down here, you know, so we have to link up with the bad chef them, cause trust me, they're my top chef. And right now, we're there at the House of Jerk food truck. You understand? And we're there, so I watch how they are. Them just go and prepare. Just watch how the chef them prepare some of the food. As I'm show you the wrap just now. But yeah, man. You don't know, I'm one of the top chef that in Toronto, you know? As you can see, you don't know that chef there. They're busy on the grill.
Man.
Yeah, man.
Loaded mac and cheese.
Loaded mac and cheese.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I say. Loaded mac and cheese.
Yeah, man. See that?
Oh, gosh.
It's not even dry. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
See it? Right. You want to wait? Dry chicken. Man.
So loaded mac and cheese with jerk chicken.
Yeah, they get with jerk, you get with shrimp, you can get with oxtail and the whole works.
Ah.
Eat that.
See it? And top it off with some sauce.
Yeah.
It's nice.
One
that?
Fanta and one
Sweet.
something for me. One Fanta and one ice cream.
See that chef up here, kitchen and the bar.
And boy, I saw it going over there. I saw it go. Guys, you see? This is non-stop busy. Once there, so you see chef run about this, so he not come off of the grill. You understand? Yeah, man. Alright, so yeah, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese and shrimp.
And shrimp.
Yeah.
What's up yourself, you know?
Yeah, man, you know it, come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Know where they are on it, you know?
Yes,
Is that for this?
that's it.
Eh?
Give me a taco there.
You see, guys, when I'm telling a line around here, so a lot of people. Yeah. What I mean, a lot of people. Lots of people, as you can see, guys. So you see a dice of some jerk chicken and shit?
Yeah, load them here for the wrap. And for
Okay.
the taco.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
just take them off of the grill.
Yes.
So now we are cut them up and thin.
Oh, chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Look
Chicken
at that.
breast, you see?
Look at
Well
that.
juicy, not
Yes.
dry.
No.
So,
Look at
it
that.
cut into the juice, you know?
Yes, yes. Yeah, man, the House of Jerk. See there. You can check them out on social media, guys. Look here. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You know what I mean? Yes. The House of Jerk. Yes, guys. See down here, so lots of people. As you can see, lots of people down here. So on the boardwalk, we're there at Burlington. Yeah, and trust me, guys. Right now, you don't know, so we stop at one of the Jamaican food truck. Yes. The House of Jerk. The House of Jerk. Yes. Alright guys, look at that. That's the mac and cheese, rice and peas. I don't know, say the Barbie fry wings. Yes. Oh gosh, guys, look at that. I know, so that must look. I'm not even tried it. I don't even taste it yet. And we can tell, so this well delicious, well nice. Yes guys. Yes guys. See wings? Man, flavor turn up. Nice. Nice. Look at this guys. Gosh. Wings bad. Oh gosh. Flavor nice. This is the what? The Barbie fry wing. Barbie fry wing. Tastes real good guys. How it tastes? Tastes good? When I eat them food here guys, you have to sit down around here because trust me, food so nice, you not even want to drop one rice grain. You don't even want to lose one rice grain, not even the bone. You scared it drop.
A1.
A1?
Top notch. Food bad.
They say food bad.
Food turn up, turn over, dash way.
Man, where's the Sharika?
It's good.
Alright. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't know joke thing. Shift. Guys, food tastes real good. Yo, chef. Food bad man. Proper. Hold on, make me tell you.
Wicked. Good. Good. A1.
See?
June 30th.
It's a jerk chicken
wrap.
Jerk chicken wrap.
Island style.
Island style. Yeah.
Works.
Yeah.
You don't find this nowhere else. Outside jerk. 6 years direct still.
That's all.
Yeah.
Alright guys. See?
Yeah.
Guys, me try the rice and peas and what, Barbie fry wing?
Yeah man.
And the mac and cheese, and trust me, I have to go back for the wrap because trust me, the food too nice guys.
Yeah.
Yeah man, the house a jerk. Alright. See it there? I say top you off with some spring roll. Look at that guys. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Turn around the shit. Turn around. See, many people see it. Wait. See it there. See it there.
Yeah. Right from the back, it's mud.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look here guys, look here. Look at that. See all the sauce there.
See alright man. Safe travel, you know?
Alright, respect.
Yes?
Yeah man, that is it. Chef.
Yeah man, that is it.
Yes.
They out there at the festival out of Burlington.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do it, you know?
Alright.
Alright.
Respect here.
Yeah man.
Guys, look at the lineup over there, so. Yes. Oh gosh. Yes, guys, as you can see, right now we're on the boardwalk, overlooking the whole festival. As you can see, lots of people down there, all different kind of vendors. Yes, and then look out on the water. You have the boat, them. They just dock out there on the water and just enjoy the show. Nice. Yes guys, so as you can see, we're down here in Burlington, downtown Burlington, and they have some sound of festival going on down here, and you know, decided to take a walk and check out some of the vendors they have down there. And as you guys can see, lots of people here, lots of people. So make sure you go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because anywhere the food at, you know we're gonna bring it to your screen. Alright? Yes, bless. One love.